Hey guys, so it is a beautiful day here on the Northern Rivers, so what I thought I would do since I have the day off work was take you guys down to Ballina. Now Ballina is probably the biggest coastside town of the Northern Rivers. Byron Bay is probably more well known, but Ballina is actually a larger town, and in my mind it's actually kind of a bit more beautiful. Ballina is directly to the east of Lismore, about 40 minutes from Lismore, and it's about 15 to 20 minutes from where I live in Wollongbar. So I thought I would take you down to Ballina. We'll go for a walk along the wall, we'll chill out on the beach, I'll take you to my favourite cafe. Let's go have a nice day on the Northern Rivers. Sorry Dusty, you can't come.
I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet do. Although my heart is falling too, I'm in love with your body.
If you know Australians, you know we like things big. We've got, what is it, the big merino, the big banana, the big mango. What else we got? The big pineapple. We've got lots of big things. Here in Ballina, we have the big prawn. Don't ask me why. It's just a big prawn. They're trying to make the love lock thing happen here. Okay, so behind me, that's Shelley Beach, where I just was. And if I go over to the other side of the lookout, over here, this is Lighthouse Beach. And that is North Wall, where I'm about to take you. Good spot for a rest stop. Welcome to North Wall, Ballina. Okay, now that we've done the beach and we've done North Wall and we've done the lookout, it's time for some brunch. I'm taking you to my favourite spot in Ballina, the Bell General. Hey guys, I have had a great day in Ballina. I am so full after that meal at the Bell General. I'm feeling good. I've had a bit of vitamin D, a bit of vitamin C, and I'm gonna head home for a shower now. But I will be back next week with another video from the beautiful Northern Rivers. I hope you're enjoying this series as much as I am enjoying making it. And have a good day, guys. Bye!